that part of me, the only missing piece. No waiting patiently, I count the days to see.
Jackson, let me start with this. I promise to say yes to golf more than I say no. I promise to challenge you and to accept challenges from you. I promise to always be your co-pilot in life and of course when driving, because we both know I never drive. I promise to support you in everything you do. I promise to never drink your beer as long as you leave the wine alone. I promise to listen to you and learn from you. I promise to always love you as much as I love Benny, and to forever continue to pretend he is not under the covers. But most importantly, I promise to choose you every day, to help make every day a new adventure, and to love you with everything I have. And I can't wait to be your wife.
I'm the luckiest guy in the world. I wouldn't be here where I am today without your love and support. I promise to love you through the good times and the bad. I promise to make you happy, make you laugh, and always be there for you. I promise to support you in anything you want to do, and I will try my best to help you get through report card season every year. I'm a better person with you, and I'm excited to spend the rest of my life with you. You truly are my best friend.
You are that part of me, the only missing piece. No waiting patiently, I count the days to see.
I can turn around. Okay. Damn. Looking good, babe. You hug?
Yeah.
Kiss? Aw, you look nice. You miss me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you miss me?
Oh, yeah.
Look it.
Looking good.
Always and only, let's lay out in the yard, like we're in Central Park. We'll sleep out in the stars. Don't matter where we are. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm already home. When I'm with you, I'm right where I belong. I'm already home. I'm already home.
Ciara is the most kind, compassionate, giving, and caring person I've probably ever met. She's also incredibly smart. I learned so much from her. But it's hard not to when she can clock in at 6,000 spoken words per minute.
Jackson's best choice was to bring Ciara into his life. She's dedicated to her career, but always makes time to take good care of Jackson, and we all know what a big job that is.
So you listen to what Ciara says. You tell Ciara you love her every single day. And remember what Mom said, that you will be what you want to be, and that's a loving, caring husband. I'm so proud of you, and I love you with all my heart.
When I'm with you, I feel